In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Pictures folder with OneDrive. By the end of this walkthrough, your Pictures folder will automatically back up to OneDrive, keeping your photos safe and accessible across your devices. This process uses the OneDrive desktop app on Windows, and the wording you see should match closely even if your layout looks slightly different. Start by opening the OneDrive panel. Look at the right side of your taskbar near the clock for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons, then click the OneDrive cloud. This opens the OneDrive dashboard where you can view recent activity and settings. In the dashboard, click the settings gear in the top corner. From the menu that appears, choose settings. A new window will open. If it isn't already selected, click the Settings tab to make sure you're in the main configuration area. Next, switch to the Sync and Backup tab. This is where you control which folders on your computer are protected and kept in sync with OneDrive. Click Manage Backup. You'll see a list of common Windows folders that OneDrive can protect. Find the Pictures folder in the list. On the right side, there's a switch or button that controls whether this folder is included. Click that button to enable backup for the Pictures folder. You'll typically see a confirmation that the folder is now selected for syncing. Once you've enabled it, click Save Changes. OneDrive will immediately begin protecting your Pictures folder. That means your existing photos will upload to your OneDrive cloud storage, and anything you add to the Pictures folder later will sync automatically. You can keep working while this happens. If you have a lot of photos or a slower connection, the first upload may take some time. You can monitor progress by reopening the OneDrive cloud icon on the taskbar. It will show syncing status and any files still uploading. A few tips to keep everything running smoothly. Make sure your device stays connected to the internet during the initial backup and check that your OneDrive storage has enough space for your photo library. After syncing is turned on, you can access your Pictures folder from any device where you're signed in to OneDrive or by visiting the OneDrive website and opening the Pictures folder there. That's it. You've successfully enabled backup for your Pictures folder with OneDrive, giving your photos an extra layer of protection and making them available wherever you need them.